Hi, welcome to MyPixel, your online advertising companion. In this session, we're going to go through the steps you need to take to add the tracking pixel onto your Wix-based website. So for this to happen properly, obviously you're going to need to have a website built on the Wix platform, and also you will have at this point created your MyPixel account. Also, to make things easier during this demonstration, I currently have my MyPixel account open on the Tracking Pixel landing page, and I have already gone into Wix and opened up so I can see my main dashboard. First step is to click on Manage Account. This will take me into the main area where I can manage the details of my particular Wix website. Once in, I can click on Edit and I can see the editor version of the website. First step is to click on the Add App icon. You'll find this in the tray of tools on the left hand side of the screen. Once you've clicked on this, you'll see a new screen pop up where you can select from the Wix Apps Marketplace. Go to the search box and type in HTML. The first option that will actually appear in that drop down is HTML, iframe and embed. This is the one that you want. When you click on this, another box will appear where it will give you the details of this particular app and a button where you can add it to the site. By clicking Add to Site, you won't see it easily on your screen, but in the background it will have actually added in a small square which represents the HTML iframe. So now you can click on Close, and there you go, you can see it in the middle of my screen. You want to move this HTML box out of the way. I think putting it into the footer or somewhere in the header is clearly out of the way enough, but easy for you to access. So in this case, I'm placing it into the footer, resizing it so it doesn't become too intrusive. The next step is for you to add in the actual pixel code. Click on Enter Website Address, and another dialog box will appear where you can select Code. Once you've clicked on code, you'll see the box below will allow you to enter in some HTML code. So now I'm going to switch over to the MyPixel website, and here you go, here's your Pixel audience page. And I'm going to click on the code that's in the middle of the screen. The system will automatically copy it. Now I'll switch back to Wix, click into the dialog box and paste. Select Update, and then close the HTML box. That's it, the code is now added to the website. There's a couple of last little steps you need to do to complete this. You see it looks grey at the moment, don't worry about that, it'll go clear once the site is published. So what I like to do is to preview it, and as you can see it has disappeared, but it's still there just in the background. Switching back to the editor, I save it and then publish. And that's it. You've now added the MyPixel tracking code to your website. You're ready to go.